was shot immediately.
Easton's doing in the shower right now. Because he's doing some crazy
If you do something, it
What are you doing?
Oh, she wins!
Oh
She
my
got
God.
you
Get
1
her,
point!
Oh my God.
Get her.
Smack me with it. Oh no.
That's good. Promote violence.
Can't be a ninja though.
Oh, he can't swing it because he's got it behind his head.
So do I. That's why you take it over behind your head like that.
There.
Go
Get her.
on me.
Baby.
Oh, that was awesome. I'm glad we did that. It's a good bonding experience, in my opinion.
Well, she hasn't gotten any older looking. She's got the prettiest hair.
Oh, thank you.
What are you doing?
Sit down. Stand up. Oh, okay, lay on the ball and fall. That works too.
Gee.
What'd you say? Oh, man.